Good day, Internet. I'm on my weight loss channel, and I'd like to promote some ideas here. There is a huge push for this intermittent fasting, and I've done fasting before for 2-3 days at a time, and I found it extremely difficult on the first day, and as the days wore on, I found it more easy, and then I found myself going nuts eating the moment I came off the fasting. So I had a bit of fun here with this intermittent fasting. What I found is when I registered with them, they said they only wanted $69. Then it turned out $69 American. Then they said turned out there was a monthly subscription. Then it turned out it was it turned out after they got my money, nothing happened. Right? So okay, nothing happens. And they said, I eventually found out I paid for it on a Saturday, and there is nobody in their offices till Monday. Then I found out on Monday they didn't bother contacting me at all. I gave them the whole morning, and by noon, since I hadn't received any packages, I hadn't received anything from them. What I received from them was an email directing me to Facebook. Then when I tried to enter into their group, it said pending authorization or whatever. And I figured, well, okay, Monday morning, my $100 or whatever it is should pay for something, should open this whole thing up. And no, it didn't. And then, so I had nothing. I did have another website that said, here's where our e-course is. And I went through their e-course, the ebook thing, and their ebook was something like 70 pages, 60 some pages long. And what you find is it's impossible to read on the computer screen. So you're going to print it out. And then what you discover when you print it out is each page is really half a page, but they're all colored. So now you're going to use a lot of ink to print this thing. And on top of that, I found it very hard to read the lettering. I don't know. They use some coloring in the lettering. This is crazy. Like, I'm sure I could have cut it down to 15-20 pages. All those pages. In fact, I took it to the coffee shop, began reading it, less than an hour, read the whole thing cover to cover, and found nothing. It was interesting, but nothing that I hadn't got off the internet from them before. And so I called up at noon on Monday, having purchased this thing on Saturday, said, give me my money back, please. And they were very good. They gave me my money back. But having said they're very good, then what they did is they started spamming me over and over and over again, multiple times a day. I got very tired of it, and I said to them, like, look, you're not willing to deliver. You didn't deliver before, and now you would like me to believe you're going to deliver. And they never did. I phoned them up and I talked to them, so I make contact with them. But, on Saturday, they took my $100, and they told me on Monday that, Monday at noon, they told me, like, look, all these systems are automated. So taking your money was an automated thing. All the spam we gave you was completely automated. Well, yeah, but then on your own part, when you had your own time, the full morning of Monday, you received my cash on Saturday, you made no contact with me. And the other thing is, the last thing I want is contact on my phone. I'm not an American citizen, and contact on my phone, the charges would be insane. I know this because I've personally had friends get charged for calls from the United States. And I don't know how it works in some countries, but in our country here, it's you pay when somebody calls you and it's long distance, and you have a cell phone. You pay quite a bit. Any case, so their secret group, Facebook group thing, I wanted to show you there's another way. What if, for absolutely nothing, you could get a group to help you? Well, this is a group here called Man versus Fat. And I'd really like to encourage you, if you're trying to do this intermittent fasting and you're trying to get some coaching, I just went to their website, and immediately, I'll bring it down here in the corner of their website. Oh, my picture will be in the way. Can I bring myself even further down? My picture always ends up in the way. It says, how can I help? Hi, I'm Andrew. That's me on the right. Tells me his weight. Says he's lost over 60 pounds. And he wants to help me. And add your email to... Yeah. And so he's right now, right immediately, upon getting to the website for free, you have an individual who's contacted you who's going to go help you. So you know, this six-pack abs thing about paying big money and then you're in some sort of exclusive group and you can't get a hold of anybody. I can go to Man versus Fat and get some help. Get into a group and talk to people immediately. So I'm on the website right now. Join a free Man versus Fat online group. You saw the football thing at the top. That's only if you're in England. Oh, it's taking a while to load up. Yeah, this is the admin guy. I've seen him lots before. I've been here quite a bit before. I found it pretty good. So this is the monitor. We're going to go into, I'm going to join a free, underline free, 30-day Man versus Fat IA. I know this is Man versus Fat IA group. Okay, weight loss group. And Andrew there is the admin. And we're going to sort of go over all our goals. So, what do I need to do? Update your profile. Here's how. I believe I'm going to have to log in. So you have to log into this group. I'm part of this group already. Once you create your account, update your profile and avatar. And he's going to explain here how to update. I'm just going to click on this, join a 30-day group. Okay. Now, let's see if we can get to the... Do I have to go to the bottom of this whole thing? I forget. That was the one problem with it. There was one sort of... I wonder if I can get to the end of it. Anyways, I'll just log in. going to give you my name here. This is who I am. And if you ever want to, if you ever want to send me an email, I have to do this again. Incorrect. Okay, well, we're going to log in with Facebook then. I'll just click on the administer. Going to message him. Okay, so I just, because I already know this guy's the administrator, he's the admin guy, and I just want to show you something. Look at this. I got 10 messages there. That's me. And we will go here. I would like to join a 30-day wait. Oh, do words here. Okay, I want to show you how easy this is. I would like to join a 30-day weight loss group. Message. Well, title is required. Aha. We will put joining. Okay. Hi, mate. No problem. Just need to direct you. Just need to direct message me for you. Me a picture before. A picture before to get a place. Oh, okay. He wants a picture. Okay. So this is how. So he wants me to send him a picture. I don't know quite what he means. I'm pretty sure he's going to let me join. My picture hasn't changed since I've joined. I wonder if that's just an automated thing. So I'm just looking. On the side here, all this stuff here is Lloyd and somebody else who contacted me in this Man versus Fat. This is an excellent way of having somebody, of having a group and having the same thing as the 6-pack abs thing, or whatever you want to call it, these intermittent fasting guys. This is the same thing except free. So I just wanted to make that clear. Great place to go. Check them out. It's called Man versus Fat. And you know what? Just type it in on your search engine, and you'll